Mmm. Oh, wow. Mmm. I just made some copycat White Castle sliders. Pretty good, man. Wow. Welcome to another Tips on Printing with Taino. And while I'm doing that, I'll have the slider, which is delicious. Yum. Good day to you, and how you be, everybody, and welcome to another 2-minute quick tip Tuesday with Taino. Before anything, let me put this timer. There you go. I think I'm gonna beat it today. Yeah, I'm gonna beat it today. Today we're talking about how to print a left chest print perfect on a shirt. When it comes to a left chest print, one thing is you gotta know the proper size of a left chest print, and that is around 4 inches wide. That's where you want to go, 4 inches wide. If it's a square circle, try to keep it 4 inches wide, and that's a perfect basic left chest print on a t-shirt. The other thing is that when it comes to an arc or a circle, an oval print, it really doesn't matter. You will not know if the image came a little tilted because it's a circle. It's easier to cover up, in other words. But when you're dealing with square and rectangular images, oh man, if that shirt is not straight, that image is gonna come a little crooked. It's gonna be a little tilted. It's gonna happen. So I'm here to show you the way I do one of my tricks that I learned the hard way, because there was a job I did once, one of my first rectangular prints on a left chest. And when I gave him the shirt, man, he showed me the shirt, said, "John, do you think it looks kind of like crooked, like the image is not straight?" And I told him, "Nah, just lift up your right hand a little and I become straight." So it was horrible, man. I had to take that job back and try to figure it out. And that's when I figured out how could I do it, because the problem is when you're printing a big center print, when you put that shirt in the palette and you bring it back and you pull it a little. Believe me, we're not robots. So you may be pulling a little more to your right or to your left, but it's not gonna be very straight. It's not, believe me, it's not. So when you're gonna deal with an image that is square or rectangle, you wanna avoid that print being tilted, because all the screen printers at the beginning, they saw that square or print, rectangle print kind of tilted. So what I learned was that when you're putting the shirt in the palette, the seam that's on top of the shirt, the seam, you want to even it out right on the side of the front of your palette here. Where you're sitting, you're gonna see it. I'm gonna show you now. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for that seam to be placed right there. The other thing is, it does not matter if you're doing a crew neck or a V-neck. A crew neck and a V-neck, as long as you do that placement with the seam right there, you will keep doing the same way, and it's gonna be the same measurements of long V-neck or short V-neck or a crew neck. Is still that same measurement. And how you measure is, once you place that shirt right there with the seam right on the side of the palette, take a measuring tape, and you're gonna measure from the top where the seam is all the way down to about 6.5 inches. 6.5 inches, that's where the top of the image should be, at 6.5 inches. Does not matter what type of V-neck it is, if it's a long V-neck, that's what you're looking for. You're dealing with hoodies, same thing. Put that hoodie on the seam on the top, and then you'll be able to get that exact measurement for that left chest print. The other thing is in the middle. When it comes to the middle, if your palette is, let's say 16 inches, so you want to go in the middle is 8. So now what you want to do is go about 2.5 inches from the middle towards your left. And that way your image is going to start. not the middle of the image. That's where it's gonna start. So if over here the word starts with the P or with the T, whatever the sign starts here, that's where you want that 2 inches, 2.5 the most. It's 2 inches, and then the cross goes over there. You don't wanna try to put the whole middle on 2.5. No, that would be like about 4 inches. If you're looking for the middle, you could go 4 inches, but I usually will go 2 inches and then move forward. The other thing is that when it comes to, like I said before, bigger sizes, you have to move more to your left. So from small to extra large, you could keep that 2 inches or 2.5 from the middle going to your left. But once you start going 3X, 4X, 5X size shirts, you have to go to another 1.5 inches towards your left. That's for 2X. For 3X, that means I have to go 1.5 times 2 is 3. So you got to go 3 inches more to your left so that the sign could keep falling on the side, because that shirt is wide. You don't want to just 3X and keep printing the same size as the large, because then the sign is going to fall here. You're trying to avoid that. So those are the rule of thumb of printing a left chest print. Make sure you put the shirt through the palette. Keep the seam right touching the side of the palette. Measure 6.5, 2 to 2.5 maybe, depends on the design, to make sure that it falls where you need it to be, and you will not have that image all crooked. Oh man, did I do it? I don't know. I'll check when I'm editing. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, stay safe, and peace out.